Hello everyone, myself Tanya Garg. In today's session, I am going to discuss about iPhone operating system platform. Now let's start from introduction of iPhone operating system. iOS stands for iPhone operating system. It is a proprietary mobile operating system of Apple for its handheld devices. It supports Objective-C, C, C++, Swift programming language. It is based on Macintosh operating system, or you can say Mac operating system. iPhone, iPod and iPad all comes with iPhone operating system. Now we will discuss the features of iOS. First is multitasking, second is social media, third is iCloud, in-app purchase, game center, notification center, GPS, accessibility, Bluetooth, orientations, camera integration, location services, maps, contact, email, messages, etc. These all are the features of the devices that are having iPhone operating system. Now let's discuss the history of iOS. It was first developed in June 2007. Apple released the iPod Touch, which had most of the non-phone abilities of the iPhone. In June 2010, Apple rebranded iPhone OS as iOS. iPad first generation was released in April 2010 and iPad mini was released in November 2012. Now let's discuss about iPhone operating system software development kit. This is a software that is required to develop iPhone operating system applications. Now, it is a software development kit which was released in 2008 to develop the native applications for iOS. It permits people to write application for both the iPhone and the iPod Touch. The iPhone software development kit contains the Xcode IDE. Now here Xcode is the simulator tool and the interface that is used to design the iPhone applications. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So here Xcode IDE is the environment that is used to design the iOS applications. Now what SDK contains? It contains Xcode IDE, instruments that are used to monitor the performance of the iPhone applications, iPhone simulator on which we have to test the iPhone application, frameworks and sample compilers, Shark analysis tool and many more. To download the iPhone SDK, you must have an Apple ID. Now we will discuss the components of iPhone software development kit. iPhone software development kit consists of variety of number of tools that help to create iOS application. First is Xcode. It is a main component that is used for iPhone operating system applications. Xcode is responsible for providing the environment to develop the iPhone applications. It is also responsible for debugging and running the project. For creating Objective-C applications, Xcode enables you to manage, author, and debug your project. The second component of iPhone SDK is Dashcode. It is IDE that enables you to develop web-based iPhone or iPad application and dashboard widgets. It means Dashcode is a component that enables you to design web-based iPhone applications. Next is iPhone Simulator. Now iPhone Simulator is that component on which you can simulate your iPhone application. Next component is Interface Builder. This component, as its name is indicating, is used to build the interface required for iPhone application development. It is a visual editor that is used for designing the user interface for the iOS application. Next is Instruments. It is a set of tools, or you can say suite of tools, that help you to analyze the performance of your iOS application. Next is Objective-C in iOS. You can use variety of languages to design your iPhone operating system application. It can be C, C++, Swift language or Objective-C language. Now here we are going to discuss the Objective-C language. Objective-C is used for the iOS application development. It is built on the top of C programming language. It offers object-oriented capabilities and a dynamic runtime. It includes all familiar elements like primitive data types, int, float, character, etc. Structures, pointers, functions and control flow constructs are also included in Objective-C language. In Objective-C, one object sends a message to another by calling a method on that object. Now what we discussed in this session, we have discussed the basics of iPhone operating system, the components of iPhone SDK, and in the next session, we will discuss the architecture of iOS. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next session.